I'm just gonna make 4 videos, and this is my last one because I did like 2 sorry guys, I have 2 updates of my lives too, but I'm gonna the other one supposed to be 3, and we're gonna start, and we have our second top 10 video, and top 10 grade 2 Serenity that hate me. Why, there's a reason of grade 2 Serenity hate me. Number 10 is number 10 Sam. Number 9 Michaela. Number 8 Done. Number 7 Janine. Number 6 Caitlin. Number 6 Peter. Number 5 Christian. Number 4 Caitlin. Number 3 Minya. Number 2 her. Number 2 Ashley. Number 1 James. And thanks for watching. If my classmates watch this, tell me in the comment section below if your name was mentioned that